Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find location from photo. So let's get started. Many modern cameras and smartphones save something called EXIF data inside photos. This data often includes useful information like the date, camera model, and even the GPS coordinates of where the picture was taken. First, open up your web browser and search for an EXIF data viewer. There are many available online, but one reliable option is the GIMP EXIF viewer. Once you open the site, simply upload the photo you want to check. After it processes, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the photo's metadata. Now scroll down to the location section. If the photo has GPS data, you'll be able to see the latitude, longitude, and altitude. Some tools even generate a Google Maps link that shows the exact spot where the photo was taken. And here's an extra tip. If you don't want others to track your photo's location, you can easily remove metadata using the same tools. Just click on the option to remove or strip EXIF data, and your location details will be erased. That's how you find location from photo. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.